Grabe, kahapon maingay dito. Ngayon sobrang intense. Bumatahimik na, tapos makakarinig ka na na needle pag hinulog mo sa sobrang tahimik. Ganun na ka-intense dito.
And rolling, and 3, 2, 1, action.
What's up, partners? This is Mox again for The Backyard. We are on day 2 of the PCL, where our players from Pickle Yard will be challenging more of the teams today for the quarterfinals and the finals. So this is day 2 of season 2 of the Pickleball Champions League here in the Mall of Asia. So now I am with Coach Carlo, or Coach Snakebite ng Pickle Yard. Sa mga laro kanina, ano ang mga na-observe mo? Do we need to up our game a little bit more? What are your insights?
Medyo stiff pa karamihan. Not just our team, all teams, tansyahan pa sila, kapaan pa. Kitang-kita lahat prepared, not just Team Pickle Yard. I think lahat talaga nag-prepare. They're gonna showcase their talents today. So I think it's gonna be a good fight.
Getting into the next games this afternoon and tomorrow, how do you see the games are gonna go, and what is your message for the team?
Dito kasi syempre high pressure to. This high stakes to, is the biggest tournament right now. Yung consistency lang. The first one who breaks, they need to hold on. Be patient, wag magmadali.
So there you have it from the Snakebite. Mga partner, kasama ko ngayon ang isa sa mga players ng Team Pickle Yard, ang walang katulad na si Coach Kim. Coach Kim, kamusta ang mga games mo so far, and ano ba yung mga naging insight nyo from the games that you played so far?
First game namin, medyo inalat kami, no? Natalo kami sa Team Chill. Pag rally scoring talagang mabilisan kasi kahit receiver ka, makakascore ka.
Nakita namin kung gaano ka hardcore. Pakaaga pa lang bakbakan na kayo. Ano yung mga strategy na gusto nyong i-adjust para makabawi in the next coming games?
Tingin ko ano kami, mas maging aggressive kami. Sa isang tao, kasi doubles to eh. At least yung isa aggressive, may isang sa soft game.
Ano ang message mo for your team and your partners for the incoming game today and tomorrow?
Laban lang tayo ng laban. Okay? Round robin to, marami, anything can happen. So good luck sa ating lahat, enjoy lang tayo, bawi tayo. Let's go team!
Partner, kasama ko ngayon si Ken from Pickle Yard Team Mandaluyong. Ano ang pakiramdam competing against your own teammates na nakaka-training mo sila, nakakalaro mo sila, tapos ngayon kalaban mo sila sa tournament?
Actually, masaya since sila din yung mga nakaka-practice namin. Pero at the same time, lumalabas lalo yung pagiging competitive namin. Of course, kahit na teammate namin, yung kalaban namin, ginagawa pa rin namin yung best namin para, of course, ma-represent yung team namin, Team Mandaluyong. So, excited na nakakaharap sila sa tournament mismo kasi doon mo malalaman kung yung talagang laro mo, okay, during the tournament. Kasi yung practice lang siya mismo eh. Pero yung tournament, yun na mismo yung result.
May message ka ba sa team mo and sa the rest of the other Pickle Yard teams na nandito ngayon?
Okay, let's go Team Mandaluyong. Okay, road to championship na to. Let's go!
Interview more of the team and the players from Pickle Yard. Unfortunately, some of the footage got discarded. Pero huwag kayo mag-alala, lahat naman ng updates makukuha nyo sa Facebook page ng Pickle Yard, The Pickle Yard PH, kung saan ako din ang nagbibigay ng mga updates bilang ang inyong yardinero. But thank you for watching the second part of my vlog for the PCL. As of now, Team Pickle Yard, who were champions during the Philippines tour, ranked 3rd in the PCL Asia tournament. Not bad, Team Philippines. See you on Season 3. On the next episode, I'll be interviewing another top-ranking athlete in the Philippines. And she's a she! Find out how she started and how she maintains her fitness level, competing on a global scale and bringing pride to the Philippines. Follow me on Facebook, The Big Deal PH, and follow my channel here on YouTube by hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell for my next uploads. And that's The Big Deal.